Good morning, students. In the last period, we have discussed about the packing of particles in crystal lamp. In that, we have seen closed packed structures, closed packing in one dimension, closed packing in two dimensions. As you know that in the closed packing in two dimensions, there are the two ways of packing: square closed packing and the hexagonal packing. After that, we have seen the closed packing in three dimensions with the help of the one dimension packing and the two dimension packing. Closed packing in three dimensions, there are two ways of stacking of square closed packed layers and stacking of two hexagonal closed packed layers. As well as we have discussed the coordination number in closed packed structures. In the simple cubic crystal structure that results from the stacking of square closed packed layers, each sphere is surrounded by 6 neighboring spheres and 4 in its own layer, one above and one below. Hence, the coordination number of any sphere in simple cubic structure is 6. In both HCP and CCP, or the face center structures that result from the stacking of hexagonal closed packed layers in two different ways. Each pair is surrounded by the 12 neighboring spheres, 6 in its own sphere, 3 above and 3 below. Hence, the coordination number of any sphere in hexagonal closed packing or the face center closed packing structure is 12. Means, in the simple cubic structure, the coordination number is 6, 5 in the hexagonal closed packing of the face center cubic structure. The coordination number is 12. Now, today we have to discuss about the packing efficiency. The packing means what? Like the coordination number, the magnitude of packing efficiency gives a measure of how tightly packed the particles are. Means how these spheres in the one dimensions, the spheres are closed or packed like this way. In two dimensions, the layers are packed like this way. Means this pair is surrounded by the 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. In this packing, this pair is surrounded by only this one and this one, in one dimension, in two dimensions. Similarly, we have seen how the hexagonal or the three-dimensional packing is. Now, the packing efficiency is nothing but it is like the coordination of the magnitude of packing efficiency gives the measure how tightly these pairs are packed to form the crystal structure. Packing efficiency is the function of the percentage of total space occupied by the spares. That is, the formula of this packing efficiency is equal to the packing volume occupied by particle in unit cell divided by the total volume of the unit cell into the 100. That packing efficiency, the value of that packing efficiency will get in the percentage. म्हणजे packing efficiency ही काय आहे? It is the fraction of the percentage of the total space occupied by the space. It is the packing efficiency is nothing but it is the percentage of the space occupied by this space. That is the space occupied by volume of the sphere occupied by one particle in unit cell. As you know that in unit cell, the unit cell forms by the packing of the particles. It will convert into it forms the crystal, and the number of crystals come together, it will be closely packed, and then it will form the crystal. मग पॅकिंग इफिशियन्सी म्हणजे काय? तर हा एक पर्सेंटेज व्हॅल्यू आहे किंवा फ्रॅक्शन आहे जो की या स्पेस किती कशा पद्धतीने व्हॉल्यूम ऑक्युपाइड केलेली आहे. एका युनिट सेल मध्ये नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स आर प्रेझेंट. Hence, the packing efficiency is nothing but it is the volume occupied by the one particle in unit cell divided by the total volume of the unit cell. हे total volume unit cell चे किती आहे? Suppose that this is the one unit cell, and this is the volume occupied by the one particle. This is the one particle, and this is the unit cell. याचा पर्सेंटेज म्हणजे आपल्याला काय म्हटलं? पॅकिंग इफिशियन्सी. पॅकिंग इफिशियन्सी मीन्स इट इज नथिंग बट just like the coordination. It gives the magnitude of packing efficiency. Magnitude of packing efficiency gives the measure of how tightly particles are packed. कशा पद्धतीने हे पार्टिकल्स जे आहेत हे पार्टिकल्स एकत्रित आलेले आहेत, जुळले गेलेले आहेत. हाऊ दे आर पॅक्ड, दॅट मॅग्निट्यूड गिव्स द पॅकिंग इफिशियन्सी. द पॅकिंग इफिशियन्सी ऑफ अ मेटल क्रिस्टल इन द क्यूबिक lattice is obtained by the following three steps. First one is the radius of the sphere, second one is the volume of the sphere, and third one the packing efficiency. First one is the radius of the sphere. In simple cubic unit cell, the spheres or the particles are at the corners and touch each other along the edge. The face of simple unit cell, cubic unit cell is shown in this figure. It is evident that A is equal to 2R or R is equal to AY. Means the face of this simple cubic unit cell is shown in this figure. म्हणजे सिंपल क्यूबिक युनिट सेल मध्ये हे स्पेअर्स कशा पद्धतीने आम्ही झालेले आहेत हो एका स्पेअर. दिस इज द रेडियस ऑफ दिस स्पेअर. R is the radius of this one sphere. This R is the radius of the another sphere. Means the radius of sphere, radius of sphere is equal to A is equal to 2r, or r is equal to A by 2. This is the radius of sphere, where r is the radius of atom and A is the length of unit cell. In the simple unit cell, the particles of the spheres are at the corners and touch each other along with the edges. म्हणजे आपण या ठिकाणी सिंपल क्यूबिक युनिट सेलचं जर स्ट्रक्चर जर बघितलं, हे पहा कशा पद्धतीने आहे. म्हणजे प्रत्येक सिंपल क्यूबिक युनिट सेल मध्ये हे पार्टिकल्स जे आहेत हे कुठं अरेंज झालेले आहेत, या कॉर्नर्स वरती. This is the part, this is the part, this is means at the edge. These are the four pairs. Here I have shown the face of the simple cubic unit cell. Hence, the radius of the sphere is equal to A is equal to 2r, or r is equal to A by. Then we have to move towards the volume of the sphere. Volume of sphere is equal to, that is given by the formula 4 by 3 by r cube. The substitution for r from this equation, या ठिकाणी r ची व्हॅल्यू काय केलेली आहे, पुट केलेली आहे. r ची व्हॅल्यू काय आहे, a by 2 आहे. r is equal to a by 2. Here the volume of sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of unit particle in one particle in unit cell is equal to pi a cube by 6. Pi a cube by 6. After putting the value in this equation, we'll get that. Then the third one, the packing efficiency is equal to volume occupied by one particle in unit cell divided by total volume of volume occupied by one particle in unit cell. Volume occupied by one particle कितना है हो, pi a cube by 6. Pi a cube by 6. This is pi a cube by 6 divided by total volume of unit cell. Volume unit cell से कितनी असेल, a cube. That is a into 100. Here it will becomes 100 pi by 6 because a cube get cancelled. Then 100 pi by 6 is equal to 100 into y की वैल्यू क्या है, 3.142 divided by 6. That will be equal to, after calculating that value, we get the 52.36%. Thus, in simple cubic lattice, 52.36% of the total space is occupied by the particle, and the 47.64% is empty space. म्हणजे या सिंपल क्यूबिक युनिट सेल मध्ये हा जो स्पेस जो आहे, that is called as the void. What it is? It is called as void or the empty space. म्हणजे सिंपल क्यूबिक युनिट सेल मध्ये आपल्याला त्याची व्हॅल्यू काय आहे, व्हॉल्यूम ऑक्युपाइड बाय द वन पार्टिकल इन वन युनिट सेल, हे किती आहे, 52.36%, while the empty space is near 47.64%. 47.64% is the empty space in the simple cubic structure. अशा पद्धतीने आपल्याला पॅकिंग एफिशियन्सी ऑफ मेटल क्रिस्टल इन द बॉडी सेंटर क्यूबिक लॅटिंग, पॅकिंग एफिशियन्सी ऑफ द इनिशियल इन द फेस सेंटर क्यूबिक लॅटिंग, या वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारच्या जी पार्टिकल्सची जी अरेंजमेंट जी आहे, पॅकिंग जी आहे, ती पॅकिंग कशा पद्धतीने केली जाते, हाऊ मच अमाउंट ऑफ स्पेस ऑफ द स्पेअर्स is occupied by the particles in that structure, in the FCC, face centered cubic cell, or the BCC, body centered cubic cell, in the simple cubic units. म्हणजे वेगवेगळ्या जी काही स्ट्रक्चर्स जे आहेत, या वेगवेगळ्या स्ट्रक्चर्समध्ये ह्या पार्टिकल्सचं जी पॅकिंग जी आहे, ही पॅकिंग कशा पद्धतीनं केलं जातं, दॅट मॅग्निट्यूड गिव्स, मॅग्निट्यूड इज नथिंग बट इट इज जस्ट लाईक द कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर. It is efficiency. Packing efficiency means what? It is the magnitude of the spares, how they are closely arranged, they are closely packed. That is the packing efficiency. Okay, we'll continue in the next period.